And now for something completely different.
So the Focus has a rough idle when it's warm, but other than that it runs really well. So, taking a look at the throttle body here, think all that dirt might have something to do with it? Let's get that cleaned up. A warning label from the throttle body. I hear that certain cleaners can strip that special coating. It's there to try and prevent corrosion. So I'm probably just going to use a blue paper towel and maybe some throttle body cleaner. Should be okay for it.
A few moments later.
These cars have to relearn throttle positions after you mess with them. I don't think that's the case here, but I'm going to let it run for a while anyways. And once she's warm, we'll see if how the idle is. Warmed up, and it seems to be idling nicely. It used to, dip in RPM every now and again, probably because that crud was letting extra air through as the throttle body couldn't close properly. She's doing pretty good right now.
Well, that was really horrible.
No, you're always complaining!